So here we are with James Cryer, championship winner from last season, 2020, with car number 1. Due to COVID conditions, we weren't able to have an awards dinner, so as yet, James hasn't received his trophy. However, that's now about to change.
About time.
So here we have Kevin Cryer, James's dad, with the trophy to present to James. COVID's friendly in his bubble. Brilliant. Fantastic team effort from the two of you. Well driven, James. Give us your comments on last season.
Yeah, fantastic. 10 years in the making. A lot of hard work and blood, sweat and tears from the old man. So, and yeah, just a bit of a dream come true, to be honest. So, very happy.
Which were your favourite rides out last season? I know you're a big fan of Cadwell.
Yeah, Cadwell, yeah, double class win, maximum points, Joker played, perfect weekend really.
Yeah, and what about the other away circuits that we managed to do last year, or do you prefer being back home at Alton Park?
To be honest, I'm not a massive fan of Alton Park.
Right.
I don't have the best of luck here sometimes. So yeah, Donington, Cadwell, they're the places I really enjoy.
Fantastic, and you're hoping to repeat this season and come out with not only the class win but also the overall championship win again?
Yeah, well, we'll give it a good go anyway.
Brilliant. Best of luck for the season.
Thanks, Graham.
Thanks, James.